Hi, this is Alex, and I am Italian. I live in the US since 5 years, and since 2 years I live in Cincinnati. And I've been a customer of Dr. Dooley since 2 years. And during these 2 years, I have the opportunity to work with him and his staff. And we did a lot of work, and we did a lot of root canals and crowns. So pretty serious stuff, but everything was worked fine, and I'm very happy to be his customer because I think he's a great, talented professional, and I think he leveraged a lot on technology and innovation. And the best thing I would say about this place is that they have a great team, and you can see from the first time that everybody know what they're doing, and you feel like treated as you wish, as you expect as a customer.